The county multi-sectoral technical officers led by the Special Programs Department conducted rapid needs assessment of the most vulnerable households across the 6 constituencies up to the village level. They identified around 45,665 households that are in dire need of humanitarian relief support. However, despite our response, we are not able to cope with this situation without external help, as this has been ongoing for over 18 months now. We therefore take this opportunity to appeal to the national government, especially Ministry of Devolution and Asals, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, and non-state actors to come to our aid, particularly in the provision of additional fodder and animal feed supplements, as well as complementing our relief food efforts and the emergency borehole repairs resulting from excessive use of the boreholes during this drought season.